Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube video. Today we're going to be playing Hole in the Wall. And yeah, I think Ella, Alexis, and hopefully Marisa are joining. So yeah, we're going to play in a public server. I don't know if you guys can hear Ella, but I'm FaceTiming her. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I want to start weekly, but it's just hard. So, right now I'm in Hole in the Wall. I'm waiting for my friends to join. Oh wait, shoot. Are you on my game?
No, I'm coming.
Wait, I need to find a clean server. So I'm gonna go to servers. I'm gonna skip all the way to the end till 1 of 8, and I'm gonna join that. Hopefully it will work. Yes, it's working.
Yes, sometimes it doesn't work because it gets full when you charge.
Let me reset. Okay, wow. Okay. Why am I like this? I need to rejoin.
Okay. Oh, we're on the team, but if you leave, I don't think it matters. I think we all have our own team.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna...
Like,
Except for the Artipati guy.
this game works though.
Let me change the server.
This game.
Okay, I'm gonna find a different server.
Okay. Hopefully it still works. Does it work?
I'm going in 3 of 8 right now. And okay, this one works. Join quickly. This one doesn't have music, so I won't get copyrighted.
Okay,
Except I can hear little, like, noises. Maybe they'll switch to team or something.
Yeah, they always.
Oh, Alexis got the antlers! She needs, like, one of the boy hairs to put on top of her hair.
I thought you had brown hair with black hair.
Sorry, I'm confused. Lol. Okay. Oh yeah. Hello. I forgot to probably. So I'm recording right now. Subscribe to You Found Ella. Well, I'm on FaceTime. Well, you might not hear. Sub to Alexis Piggy. And yeah. I might change the name of this channel. Or I might make
I
it
like it.
just a gaming channel. I don't know.
I like it. Oh, it's here. Oh no, Kara's alone.
No!
So I did this game.
I tried to do like a face, but it like wouldn't work.
I saw that girl you're talking about the other day.
What do you mean?
It was like you found Alexis.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, that's how it puts you to practice like that. Wait, is he on red? Oh, dang it, blue thing. Wait, no, he wasn't on. Oh, yeah, I'm on blue. What the heck? Go, Alexis.
What is this? Lazy kitty girl zombie.
I have no idea.
Why is there?
Why isn't that coming? Come on.
Ah!
Oh, I think it stopped for me. But yeah, mine lagged. Mine came a little late.
You can buy 500 points for 10 Robux.
Wow. Did you buy it?
No. I can just see it on this. Oh, shoot, it's my turn. No! Oh, I should have been in the right position.
For some reason, it's like not working.
No, it's moving for me, trust me.
Okay, now it's moving for me. last. I'm gonna go on the clothes.
I might post a slime tutorial next week, maybe, or this week, on this channel.
I can't get over.
This channel is just a basic channel for anything. And yeah, so we're playing a game called Hole in the Wall, and I'm currently stink at it. Oh yeah, I did. But yeah, I'm playing with Ella. Yeah, this is gonna go up soon. Hopefully today. This video.
Wait, I want to see what my video's gonna be. I saw it's actually Here's all the cute com shirts.
I like these shirts. They're cute.
Are you ready, Brandon?
Except for these. I don't.
I'm going.
Panera.
Oh, I need to see. I don't watch this show. So
Brandon, are you ready?
Oh, wow.
sorry if you hear my sisters in the back. I literally sound like a little kid. Ah!
What was that?
Woo, go! Oh, the Cookie Monster is cute.
Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Oh my gosh, I remember this.
How are you?
Did you buy anything?
Excellent.
Karen, did you buy anything?
Not yet.
I'm gonna go to the cute com.
I might stop the video after this and record a new video.
In a different game. I feel like you should do a different game.
Okay. Whoa! I made it.
Yeah. So you're gonna be.
Oh my gosh, I saw this.
Okay, so
Get her freshman dance.
I'm going to end the video here. So goodbye, everyone. And yeah, subscribe to the Piggy, Alexis Piggy, and You Found Ella. Bye. I'll record more videos later.